In the last tutorial, we looked at adding a voiceover. So again, we've got a little voice clip on there. We can test that just by clicking on it and clicking play. We're pleased that you're looking at our site. We have magical power. That's on low volume. Obviously, you can adjust the volume settings on the computer, but we don't need to worry about that. Obviously, each individual computer will be governed by the power of your microphone and your speakers, so you can adjust that as you go along. So the next thing we want to do is we might want to add sound like background music on a slide, for example. You can have both, but it's better really if you're having voiceovers to have background music on other slides if you're going to use both. But that's something you need to think about in relation to your audience and how they're going to use this interactive system. So I'll go on to slide number 2. And on slide number 2, I'm going to insert a sound file. I've downloaded this from a copyright-free website. You might get your MP3s from wherever, basically. But obviously, you need to be looking at copyright rules before you use these. So we go on to, again, insert, and we go to audio. And we click audio on my PC. So all I need to do is I need to find the folder where I've put these. So I've put it in the same folder as my computer kiosk, and I just click on the sound file that I want. So on this slide, I've got this sound file in the background. If I click play on that, it should play the music. Now you can have this so it automatically comes on, because if you look up here, there's loads of features you can use to edit the sound. But what I like to do is you don't want this coming up when you're playing background music, because it's just a inconvenience on the page. So if you click on this button here, you can just put it at the side of the slide. But if you click on this button, where it says, this box I should say, hide during show, when you actually play the slide, it hides this icon here. And it's set to start on click. Now you don't want it to start on click because people won't be able to see it to click onto it. So if we go to automatically, that should automatically play when we actually go to this page. So to test it, you just click back to page number 1. Just check this is the hardware page. So if we go to page number 1 and we click on view as a slideshow, we can test our podcast here. We're pleased that you're looking at our site. That's working fine. If we go to hardware now, hopefully the background music will automatically play. And that's the two main ways of adding sound to our multimedia system.